Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by charging your JBL noise-canceling headphones for 2 hours before first use. Connect the included USB-C cable to a standard USB port or charger. A 15-minute fast charge provides about 2 hours of playback with ANC turned on. Expect roughly 20 hours of battery life with noise canceling active at moderate volume. Power the headphones on by holding the power button for 3 seconds until the LED lights. Bluetooth 5.0 gives stable wireless range up to 10 meters or 33 feet. Put the headphones into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds. Watch for a vocal prompt or flashing LED to confirm pairing status. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone and select the JBL device name to connect. Use the JBL Headphones app to customize equalizer settings and toggle ambient aware or talk through features. If you need wired audio, plug the included 3.5mm cable into the headphone jack and your device. Wired use works even when the battery is depleted. Learn the control layout. Use the dedicated ANC button or touch panel to toggle noise-canceling modes. Single-tap controls usually manage play and pause, while swipes adjust volume on some models. Use multi-point pairing to connect 2 devices simultaneously and switch audio without repairing. To take calls, press the call button once to answer and twice to reject an incoming call. Reset the headphones by holding the power button for 10 seconds to resolve stubborn issues. Keep the ear cushions clean and store the headset in its case after each.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.